Chapter 4. Log on to MS Access. This chapter covers data, database, DB, and DBMS. What makes up database? Mean of MS Access. Components of MS Access window. Understanding tables. Creating a table using templates. Adding a field using a field template. Save a table. What is data, database, DB, DBMS? In computer science, data is anything in a form appropriate for use with a computer. Data is often differentiated from programs. A program is a set of instructions that explain a task for the computer to perform. In this sense, data is thus everything which is not program code. A database is a structured and organized set of related data. Each institution or organization stores useful information belonging to their employees, business, or other information which assists them in their smooth working. Even in our daily life, we maintain a database such as our address book, which consists of the alphabetic records of our relatives and friends. It consists of information such as their names, addresses, email address, phone number, etc. A school maintains the records of its students, fees, staff, salaries, etc. But it is very tough to maintain a database manually, as the size of database keeps on changing. The records are added, modified, deleted to keep the information up to date. A computerized database is said to be the best solution for all kinds of database-related problems. The software that assists to perform database-related functions is known as Database Management System, DBMS. Different popular database management softwares are Microsoft Access 2016, SQL Server, OpenOffice, OrbBase, Sybase, Oracle, VisualFox Pro, etc. Always remember, Microsoft released Access version 1.0 on 13th November 1992 and Access 1.1 version in May 1993 to improve compatibility with other Microsoft products and to include the Access Basic Programming Language. What makes up database? Database. This is your main file that encompasses the total database and which is saved to your hard drive. Table. It is a collection of data regarding a particular topic. Typically, there are many tables within a database. Field. Various groups, columns within the table are called field. Data type. Data types are the properties of every field. There is only one data type per field. Query. A database object that stores criteria to select records for one or more tables based on the conditions you specify. Relational database. A database that consists of tables related through fields that consist of identical data, also said to be common fields. Access is a relational database, while Excel is a flat database. A flat file database. It can retrieve and store information. It is not capable of connecting the files together. A relation database. It connects segregate tables together to obtain a common piece of information. Forms. Forms provide you the ability to select the format and arrangement of fields. You can use a form to enter, edit, and display data. Report. It is a database object that shows the information from one or more database tables or queries in a printed format. Primary key. It is a field or combination of fields that creates a unique value of every record in a table. Foreign key. It is the common field between two tables that share a relationship. Student information database. Rows, fields, columns. What do you mean by MS Access? Microsoft Access is the most powerful and popular RDMS, Relational Database Management System, used to manipulate and organize data. It organizes data in the form of tables. It provides the facility to create relationship database, enables you to stop duplicity of data. Another significant characteristic of Access is that we can add, update, view, delete data and establish way by using queries and print data in a particular layout with the help of reports. Facts to learn. To open a new database, press Ctrl+N, and to open an existing database, press Ctrl+O. Components of MS Access window. File button. In the upper left corner of the Access window is the File button. When you click the button, a menu comes up. You can use the menu to create a new file, open an existing file, save a file, and carry out several other tasks. Always remember, Access stores all database tables, queries, forms, reports, macros, and modules in the Access JET database as a single file. Quick Access Toolbar. Next to the Microsoft Office button is the Quick Access Toolbar. The Quick Access Toolbar provides you with access to commands used frequently. By default, Save, Undo, and Redo options can be seen on the Quick Access Toolbar. You use Save to save an object, Undo to roll back an action you have taken, and Redo to reapply an action you have rolled back. Title bar. The title bar is found at the top in the center of the Access window. The title bar shows the name of the database on which you are presently working. Ribbon. The ribbon is positioned near the top of the Access window below the Quick Access Toolbar. At the top of the ribbon are many tabs. Clicking a tab shows related command groups. Within every group are related command buttons. You click buttons to issue commands or to access menus and dialog boxes. You may also find a dialog box launcher in the bottom right corner of a group. When you click the dialog box launcher, a dialog box makes available additional commands. Understanding tables. A table is a set of columns and rows. Every column is known as a field. Within a table, every field should be given a name and no two fields may have the same name. Every value in a field represents a single group of data. For example, a table might have 3 fields: last name, first name, and phone number. The table contains 3 columns, one for the last name, one for first name, and one for phone number. In each row of the table, the last name field consists of the last name, the first name field consists of the first name, and the phone number field consists of the phone number. Every row in a table is known as a record. All the data in a table must refer to the same subject. For example, all the data in the employees table must refer to employees. All the data in the students table must refer to students. And all the data in the courses table should refer to the course. Creating a new database with Access. Click Blank Database. Click the icon. When the File New Database window comes up, click New Folder. Type Practice Access Files. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard. In the file name box, type Friends. Click the OK button. Click the Create button. The window for the Friends database would open. Creating a table using templates. Open the database in which you desire to create a table. Click on the Microsoft Office button and click on Open to bring up the Open dialog box. Select the desired database. Select the Create tab and click on the Table Templates down arrow in the Tables group. Select one of the templates from the shown list to insert a new table based on the template you have selected. Note that the table consists of fields suitable to that template. Enter the table information instantly to start creating a database that will meet your particular needs. Always remember, Access 2007 database templates can be downloaded only to computers running genuine Microsoft Office software. Add a field using a field template. Sometimes it becomes easier to choose from a predefined list of fields that suit your requirements than to manually create a field. You can use the Field Templates task pane to choose from a list of field templates. A field template is a predefined set of properties and characteristics that describe a field. The field template definition incorporates a field name, a data type, a setting for the field's format property, and other field properties. On the Home tab in the Views group, click View and then click Datasheet View. On the Fields tab in the Add and Delete group, select More fields in the Field Templates pane and then drag them to the table where you wish to insert the new column. Save a table. After you create or modify a table, you must save its design. When you save a table for the first time, give it a name that describes the data that it consists of. You can use up to 64 alphanumeric characters, incorporating spaces. For example, you might name a table Customers, Products, or Parts Inventory. Click the File button and then press Ctrl+S or click Save. If you are saving the table for the first time, type a name for the table and then click OK. Facts to learn. You must decide on a naming convention for the objects in your database and use it consistently. Summary. In computer science, data is anything in a form appropriate for use with a computer. A program is a set of instructions that explain a task for the computer to perform. In computing, databases are sometimes grouped in accordance with their organizational approaches. Microsoft Access is said to be a database software package. A database is an organized collection of records. A table is a set of columns and rows. Every column is known as a field. A field template is a predefined set of properties and characteristics that describe a field.